In today's digital age, new opportunities to earn money online are constantly emerging. The internet has opened up a world of possibilities for those looking to make extra cash. Many are looking for ways to supplement their income, whether to pay off debts, save for a vacation, or simply have more financial freedom. Some seek full-time online work, hoping to replace their traditional 9-to-5 jobs with more flexible options. The good news is that there are legitimate platforms out there designed to help you achieve your financial goals, making it easier than ever to earn money from the comfort of your home. One such platform is Paidwork.com, a site dedicated to helping users earn money online. Have you heard of it? If not, you're in for a pleasant surprise. Paidwork.com allows users to earn money by simply watching videos, making it an easy and enjoyable way to boost your income. It sounds too good to be true, right? But it is. This platform really works. By partnering with various companies, Paidwork.com offers a unique way to monetize your free time, turning idle moments into profitable ones. Whether you have a few spare minutes or a few hours to spare, Paidwork.com provides a flexible and accessible platform for generating income on your own terms. It's time to take control of your financial future. Paidwork.com is a website that connects businesses with individuals like you. These businesses need people to watch their videos. Why? Because more views mean more engagement and potentially more customers for them. You get paid for your time and attention, and they get valuable exposure for their products or services. It's a win-win situation. The platform hosts a diverse range of videos, from product advertisements to entertaining content. You can choose the ones that pique your interest. With each video you watch, you accumulate earnings that can be withdrawn securely through various payment methods. Getting started with Paidwork.com is incredibly straightforward. No special skills or qualifications are required. Simply visit the website and click on the Sign Up button. You'll be prompted to provide some basic information, such as your name, email address, and preferred payment method. Once you've completed the registration process, you'll gain access to the member dashboard, where you can start browsing through the available video tasks. Section 4. Earning Made Easy. Watch videos, get paid. The process of earning money on Paidwork.com is as simple as it gets. Browse the available video tasks and select the ones that catch your eye. Each video will have a specified duration and payout amount, allowing you to choose tasks that fit your schedule and earning goals. Once you've selected a video, simply sit back, relax, and watch it until the end. After completing the task, your earnings will be credited to your Paidwork.com account. It's that easy. Section 5. Maximizing your earnings. Tips and tricks for success. While watching videos on Paidwork.com is a straightforward way to earn money online, there are a few tips and tricks you can implement to maximize your earnings. Be consistent in your efforts. Make it a habit to log into your Paidwork.com account regularly and complete a few video tasks each day. This consistency will help you build a steady stream of income. Refer friends to the platform. Paidwork.com offers a generous referral program that can significantly boost your earnings. Invite your friends to join using your unique referral link and earn a commission on their earnings. The more friends you refer, the higher your potential earnings. Take advantage of bonuses and special offers. Keep an eye out for special promotions and bonus offers that can boost your earnings. These bonuses can come in various forms, such as extra tasks or higher payouts for a limited time. By incorporating these strategies, you can significantly increase your earning potential and make the most of your time on Paidwork.com. Remember, consistency, referrals, and bonuses are key to maximizing your success. Section 6. Paidwork.com, your reliable partner for online income. Paidwork.com presents a legitimate and accessible opportunity to earn money online by engaging in a simple and enjoyable activity: watching videos. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or just looking for a side hustle, Paidwork.com has something for everyone. With its user-friendly interface, flexible earning potential, and reliable payout system, Paidwork.com has become a go-to platform for individuals worldwide looking to supplement their income or explore the world of online earning. The platform is designed to be intuitive and easy to use, ensuring that even those with minimal technical skills can navigate it effortlessly. If you're searching for a trustworthy and rewarding way to monetize your free time, sign up for Paidwork.com today and start earning from the comfort of your own home. Join the growing community of satisfied users who have already discovered the benefits of Paidwork.com.